Hello grade 10 students. Welcome to another virtual class. I am Miss Madhu Vadke. We are studying chapter 6 triangles. In previous video class we learned three different criteria for similarity of triangles. Angle angle, side 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 and side angle side. In today's video class, we will apply these criteria in solving questions of exercise 6.3. Question number 2. In the given figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Angle BOC is given as 125 degrees. And angle CDO is given as 70. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. Let's mark the angles in the figure that we have to find. From figure we can notice that angle DOC plus angle COB form a linear pair because DOB is a straight line, and then we can find angle DOC. So angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Reason: linear pair. Angle COB is given as 125. So substituting in this equation and solving, we get angle DOC equal to 180 minus 125 degrees, which is equal to 55 degrees. Notice that angle COB is an exterior angle of triangle COD. So we can find angle C using exterior angle property. According to exterior angle property, the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite two interior angles. So we can write angle ODC plus angle DCO should be equal to angle COB. Reason: using exterior angle property for triangle DOC. So 70 degrees plus angle DCO is equal to 125 degrees. So angle DCO is equal to 125 degrees minus 70, and that is equal to 55 degrees. Now we are given that triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. This means that vertex C of triangle ODC corresponds to A of triangle OBA, which implies that angle C is equal to angle A. So angle OAB will also be 55 because it is equal to angle DCO. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. This is given. So C corresponds to A. So this implies angle DCO is equal to angle OAB. These are corresponding angles of similar triangles. So angle OAB is equal to 55 degrees. Question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Let's draw a trapezium. ABCD with AB parallel to DC. Diagonals AC and DB intersect at point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. There are many triangles in this figure. To prove these ratios equal, we will have to identify which triangles we have to prove similar. And then we can say that the ratio of corresponding sides of these triangles are equal. So, OA, OC, OB and OD should be the sides of those triangles that we have to show similar. The other way to identify is to look at the numerators. OA and OB are the sides of triangle AOB. Similarly, look at the denominators. OC and OD are the sides of triangle DOC. This means that we have to show triangle DOC and triangle AOB similar. Since AC and DB are lines that intersect at point O, we get a pair of vertically opposite angles and they are going to be equal. So, we get one pair of corresponding angles equal in these two triangles. We also know that DC is parallel to AB. So, taking AC as the transversal, these two angles form alternate interior angles. So, they are equal. So, now we have two angles of one triangle equal to two corresponding angles of the other triangle. So, we can say that these two triangles are similar by angle, angle. So, let's write down what is given in this question. AB parallel to DC. To prove OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Start by mentioning the triangles. In triangle AOB and COD, angle AOB is equal to angle COD as they are vertically opposite angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle DCO. Reason: alternate interior angles made by AB parallel to CD cut by transversal AC. Notice from the figure that DB is also a transversal to parallel lines DC and AB. So, we have to specify that these alternate interior angles are made by transversal AC. So, this implies vertex A corresponds to C and B corresponds to D and O corresponds to O. So, triangle AOB will be similar to triangle COD by angle-angle criteria. So, if the two triangles are similar, it implies that their sides are also proportional. So, AO upon CO should be equal to BO upon OD. Reason: these are corresponding sides of similar triangle. and that is why these ratios are equal. Question number 4. In the figure, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equal to 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Since the figure has overlapping triangles, it looks a bit complicated. To make it simple, what we have to do is separate the triangles. I'm going to first separate triangle QPR and then see what angle 1 equal to 2 implies. This is angle 2 and this is angle 1. We have studied in grade 9 that the sides opposite to equal angles are also equal. The side opposite to angle 2 is QP and side opposite to angle 1 is PR. So these two sides should also be equal. What is given in the question is clearly stated, so we have to just copy it. And to prove that is also very clearly stated. Angle 1 equal to 2, this is given. This implies PQ is equal to PR. Reason: sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Let's mark this result as 1. We will now use the ratio that is given in the question. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. This is given. So what we are going to do is replace PR with PQ because they both are equal. So now we have QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. This is by replacing PR with PQ. In the question, we have to show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. I'm going to separate these triangles. Triangle QPS and triangle QTR. In these two figures, angle Q is marked as 1. So we can say that angle Q is equal. And we have QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. So let's see. QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. So in these two triangles, two corresponding sides are proportional and the angles contained between them are also equal. So we can say that these two triangles are similar by side angle side. Mark this step as 2. Angle PQS is equal to angle TQR. This is given. Mark this as 3. So from 2 and 3, we can say that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by side angle side. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment for today is example 4 of the textbook. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.